Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start the exercise 10.1 and try to see the objects and try to guess their side views and the top views. For each of the following given solids, the two views are given match for each solid corresponding top and front view. The first one is done for you. So we have to see this object, that is the side view, which is this thing object that is corresponding. If I look at this object, for example this pencil, I am looking at this pencil from side and look at this. If I am observing from the top, I will be able to see only the top part like that. So if I am like observing this bottle from the side, this bottle will look like this. It has been shown, one has been done, and from the top it will be able to see only the circular part, the bottle, what do you say, topmost part, and this. So this is matching. So like that they have done other shapes also. So if I see this one, this object, the weight, if I see that thing from the side, what can I see from the side? I can see these two sides, okay, and this one, three sides like this. So where there is like that shape, you can see this is the shape like this. This is matching with this. And the top view, which can I see? This is not the top view. This is not the top view of this weight. You can see this 5 kgs is written, so that will be written there. So we can see here, this is the thing which is matching with this. So this is the object. Then there is a thermos flask. From the sides, if I see, you can see this is a side thing. So it will be like that looking. If you look at the other side, so this is a thermos flask, you can see, and there is a belt like a thing here. So this belt like a thing can be seen from the side. So this is matching with this. And from the top, what will I see? From the top I can see there is a belt like that. So this is not the one. See, you can see this one, topmost part you will be able to see only this circular part, and a belt is there, just a confirmation. So this will be the matching thing. Then there is a cup and a saucer. So cup and saucer from the side, if you look at, see here you can see the cup and saucer with a handle. So cup and saucer from the side, it will look like this. And this cup and saucer, how will it look now? On the front, on the topmost side, it will not look like this, not like this. This is the cup, this is the saucer, and this is the cup, and this is the handle for that. So this figure, this cup and saucer will match with this. And the tin is there, one tin has been shown. Tin, if you look at it from the container, here you can see the container tin. Which figure it will match? The last one that is remaining. This is matching with this one, and this is matching with this. The top view, from the topmost part you will be able to see this square type of a thing. You will be able to see this square type of a thing with a lid like opening on the top. So this way, first one, we will go to the second one. Now we have to tell, this cupboard is there, this one's front side, what you will be able to see? See, you can see this front side, this is a mirror. So this is the front side, you have to write here, this is the front side. From the side, what will you see? Only this face you can see. So this is a side view. And from the top, what will you see? Only this part, only this face you can see. Therefore this is a top view. What about this one? Matchstick, matchbox. See, you can see from the top, you can see this fish like a thing. So this is the top view. Then what about this one? This is you can see this one. So it is written here side view. So it is side view. And this is a front side. You can see this front side, something opening like a thing is there. It is there here. So this is front side, front view. front side, whatever it is. So TV you can see this TV, you can see this screen, this part. So this part is the front view. This is front view. What about this one? You can see the TV from this side. So this is a side view. From both the sides it will be the same. So this is side view, this is side view. And what about this one? This is the topmost part of the TV. So you can see this part, then this part slanting type of a thing like this it is, and third part. So this is top view. What about the car? You can see the front side you will be able to see this. Then this is a glass, okay, the front mirror, this thing can you see. So this is a front view. As you can see from this side, this part you can be seen. So this part is a side view. And from the topmost part you will be able to see this one, 2 and 3 parts. See 1, 2 and 3. So this is top view, like this. Then again, for each of the solids, identify the top view, front view and side view. This one, from this side if you see, front side, how many faces can you see? Front side you can see only 2 faces. So this is front view. This can be front view, and even in the side view also you will be able to see these 2 faces. So this is side view. What about the top view? You can see 1, 2 and 3 faces. So this is top view, like this. Then what about this one? See in the top view, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is top view. What about this one? Three sides. From which side you will be able to see? Front side. See 1, 2 and 3. This is a front view, and this is the side view. From this side you will be able to see this face and this face. So this is side view. You have to identify the front view. What about this one? The front side, which you will be able to see 1, 2, 3 and 4, which you can see this is front view. What about the side view? You will be able to see this face 1, 2 and 3 in a line like this, 1, 2 and 3. So this is side view. And what about the top view? Top view, you can see this part and this part. So this part here. So this is top view. Like this you have to identify. What about the top now? See 1, 2 and 3. You can see 1, 2 and 3. This is top view. What about the side view? You can see these 2 faces. Side view, see 2 faces. This is side view. And this is front view. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is front view. Like that only. This one, front view, which faces you can see from the front? 1, 2, 3. How many faces? 1, 2, 3. Which are they? You can see this also, 2, 3. This is front view. And this also can be front view. Okay, both are front view. What about the side view? Side view, we can see this 1, 2 and 3. Here it is 1 view, 2 view, 3 view. So it is side view. And what about top view? From the top you can see this face, 2 and 3. See 1, 2. This face is this face. This face is this face, and this face is this face. So this is top view. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problems. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Subscribe my channel for the latest information, and we'll meet back again with a new video on these different shapes. Thank you.